Allá. Ok, ya, mire, estamos en Universal Studios en Hollywood. Aquí en los estudios Universal Los Ángeles.
If you need to purchase tickets, our ticket booths are now open on both the left and right side. Please access our ticket booth if you need to upgrade your tickets to Express. I do recommend downloading our Universal Studios Hollywood app. While you wait, that's going to give you the latest show times, wait times, food options, and the ability to make reservations.
Okay, let's go. Vamos.
Visual illustrations from the movie posters, all this stuff. I had an early affection for movie monsters. I was all.
Or they could take us back to the Stone Age in the Flintstones starring John Goodman. Or even somewhere a little more magical. That's right, we have the Ford Anglia from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And this is actually just one out of 17 and a half versions of the car that were used for filming. We have my favorite car, which is actually a boat. It's the Crawdaddy from Jordan Peele's Us, where Winston Duke fights the tethered version of himself. And we're either passing by or just passed by the gyrosphere from Jurassic World, but you might have noticed it looked a little different. And that's because there was no glass. Well, in fact, there was never any glass to begin with. That was all added in post-production using CGI so that you wouldn't see the reflection of the camera in the glass. Now, our Jurassic Park films are some of the most successful films. What do you guys think? Now, the rain on your left is used using a sprinkler system that faces up so that it looks like the rain is falling directly from the sky onto the ground. You might also notice it looks a bit thicker than regular rain, and that's because rain doesn't usually show up on camera, so we have to add a little extra so that you can see it. Now, it doesn't really rain here very often in LA. It has the last couple months, but why don't we just sit back, relax for a second, maybe close your eyes, listen to the sounds of the rain. Oh no. All right, everyone, it looks like there's a flash flood headed directly for the tram. And on your far left, we have Crafty. That's my favorite part of any set, the snacks. Looks like we've got some makeup over there, some wardrobe, that's the costumes. Let's see what else we got. There's some different signs. Oh. All right, everyone, no need to worry. This is probably just one of our California tremors. We get these all the time. Oh. All right, everyone, please remain seated. It looks like this could be the big one. I know what everyone's thinking. At least we didn't get wet. All right, everyone, that was Earthquake, the big one. And everything you just experienced takes only 15 seconds to completely reset for the next tram to go through. Now we... Alright, well that definitely does does look like a shark, but no need to worry, everyone. My friend George is highly qualified. We will be perfectly safe. Alright everyone, well it looks like we have lost our friend George, but you know one thing's for sure, he had a lot of guts in the end, he really did. Yeah, well you know what, I think we'll be safe as long as we hide behind these barrels of gasoline. I don't think the shark will find us back here.
It's so hot.
Just a reminder to remain seated. Alright, congratulations everyone, we just escaped a real great white shark. It is a Decepticon. But what you might not know is this is actually the overflow parking lot for my favorite motel in all of Los Angeles. And I found out this morning that they have a few vacancies, so why don't we go check it out? Alright, it looks like someone pulled an emergency cord. Just pull it one more time if it's a medical emergency. Alright, just raise your hand and I'll come and help you right now. He hears me here. Everyone on the count of 3 say, "Hey Norman." 1, 2, 3. Hey Norman! No, I still don't think he heard us. It's alright. You know, he's a busy guy. He's running this motel all by himself. I'm sure he's doing something and... Oh no. Alright. You know what, everyone? This happens sometimes on our tour. The best thing to do is just stay quiet. I don't think he heard us. Oh no. Alright, Richard. I think we should get a move on here.
The airplane crash site is kind of a set that is all designed around envisioning the student.
You could then sit down and talk about the idea. I thought, what if it's going to a friend get down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. Well, here's something. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now I'm closed. Robbie, get in.
He's coming for you with everything.
You're about to learn all about fear.